All right, so in today's video, we are going to be looking at the best AI ad generators, right? So AI has come a long way in the last few months. Basically, you can create all the ads that you need for your brands. I wrote a blog post about this, so I'll leave this down below so you can actually, go through it. I also built this little tool for you if you want to do a little quiz, let's say. So I want to generate video ads, UGC style, and my budget is 3,000, and what's your team size. So this will find you the best tool for you. So let's say I'm a small team, and this is like, what's your top priority, ease of use, let's say. And you can email the results or just use the AI to find that this tool is the best for you, and then you can start the trial there. And then there's way more information down here if you want to check this out. So let's go through them all. Number one is Hollow. I feel like this is the best overall value. And if you want to test this tool out, you can use the code Connor75, CONO, or 75, and that gets you 75% discount off your first month. So yeah, you can check out this other video I made about it as well. So basically what you can do with this is social ads, AI UGC. So what it does is it kind of like learns about your brand. So like in my case, I put in one of my brands and then, just started creating all of the content about it. So you can make videos or image assets. So yeah, you can make all this content like different image ads, or use the video one to check that out as well. So if you want to create a new one, you just go to create new. And for example, if you want to make a video, you just create a video and then you can go image to video. You can clone or remix any video with your product, create an AI UGC, or create with the script. You have your brand DNA, right? So you put it in your product, and then you can just, create, you can have different products as well. So like I have a different product here in Viva Lingua, and then I have different content that I can create with this brand. So all the time, you don't need to put in the information about your brand. You can just create new content, and you can also get emails written as well. So they do have good deals on it. It kind of depends on what code you use, but yeah, it's not that expensive. That's why I'm recommending this as number one. Later on in the video, I'll give you some cheaper ones and some free tools that you can use to create this type of stuff as well. But let's move on to the next tool, which is ArcAds. So this is really good because it has different features. So they have different presets within ArcAds, so you can actually show your app here if you have an app. And there's tons and tons of tools here. This one here is very, very good. I've tested this one, the Sora 2 actors. So you can really see how real it is getting nowadays. So yeah, the latest update is this kind of like video tab here, and go to the presets here. You can see the quality of this is like, you cannot tell really.
You can remix it with your own idea, your brand, your tone. Make it sound like you, and watch your ad take off.
Hey, I'm one of the AI actors on ArcAds. This is just the base. You can remix it with your own idea, your brand, your tone, make it sound like you, and watch your ad take off.
So yeah, you can really see how real that is. You just select it then, and then remix this. So you have your actor here, and then you just describe whatever brand it is you want. So the next one is called Hey Oz. Again, all these links will be down in below. One thing I like about this is the calendar mode, so you can schedule all the different content that you want. So if you want to create, an AI actor video, you can try it out here. Okay, so you can like prompt whatever it is you want. You can mix in other images. You can add in your product, for example. Okay, so now you can see that he's now fixing the roof. So now you can just choose the voice for your actor. I feel like Australian could be good for this. So we can generate the script. Okay, so I just had a catchy ad about AXA insurance that can be 30 seconds long. Okay, so it made my script very quickly, and yeah, I can auto enhance it as well. Okay, so I can check out my audio. Okay, that sounds perfect to me. And now we're ready to generate our video. Okay, my video is ready now. Let's see what it looks like. So we actually have a video editor as well, which is really cool. This is kind of like, you can see that like this is a tool specifically made for creating ads, and yeah, that's really, really cool. Let's have a look at the video.
Are you protected when it matters most? AXA Insurance gives you complete peace of mind. From your home to your car, we've got you covered with solutions you can trust. Don't leave anything to chance. Choose AXA today.
Okay, so pretty damn good if you ask me. Probably change the subtitles there a little bit. Probably add some animated subtitles. Okay, so the subtitles have been added and there's even little images here. This is really, really good. So you can see that this is a really, really good platform. Definitely think this is worth checking out. Next platform we have is 11 Labs. So I thought I'd give you something maybe that would just be a little bit more, you have to do a bit more of the work yourself, if that makes sense. So they actually have a UGC car video, and then you can just more of a simple workflow tool rather than the more complicated ones before. Not that the other ones are complicated, but they just give you more options, I guess. So if you just want to start something, 11 Labs could be a good option. And the free one that I mentioned at the start is Google Labs Pomeli. So they have an on-brand content. You can really just like get an image and animated stuff like that. It captures your brand DNA a bit like some of these other ones, but I guess it's only in experimental mode. But it seems like Google are also getting in on this AI ad generation tools. So that's it for this video. Let me know your favorite tools down in the comments below. Thanks for watching.